do, YouTube? This your boy Richie back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. But right now I'm on my way to get my car new decal for the Integra. It's time for me to update the fonts to my windshield banner, and I'm keeping the same color in orange, but we're about to do something a little bit spicier. Have you guys seen the last one I did with the 350Z? Basically, I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing it to this car, giving it a new revamped look, a better look, because I don't like the black font that I have on this Integra. So we gotta do that. So I'm on my way to the homie Gravity Wraps. Make sure you guys go hit them up if you want decals, car wraps, or whatever. They do it all. So about to stop by his house, get it done, and then today I have a big car meet. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be that big, but we're gonna see how it is. But I have a legit car meet I'm hosting on the other side of the bay, which I never done before. I'm doing it in Daly City, San Francisco area. So I'm kind of nervous. I'm hoping it's going to be a good turnout. I never hosted a car meet out that way, so it's just going to be a gamble, you know what I'm saying? But I'm hosting a pre-meet as well, so that'll be a separate video, and I'm going to be basically uploading that video most likely tomorrow from tonight. So it's going to be super epic. I got a few people meeting up with me, linking up with me, so it's gonna be fun. I don't know what car I'm gonna drive at the moment. I have to make my mind up very soon because it is 11 o'clock, almost 12. I have the homie John that helped me with the back of my Integra. He's pulling up on me at 4 p.m. I have a pre-meet at 5 p.m. and then from the pre-meet we're doing a cruise to San Francisco to my car meet. So I'm excited. This is like gonna be so epic. I never threw one over there, so I'm not even knowing how many cars going to actually pull up, but if we can get it a good number of people, then I'm excited for that. It'll be a good turnout. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen, and if I can get a good meet, then shit, it is what it is. But right now, enough talking about that. All I'm just gonna do on this video is just show you guys the process of me getting this Integra windshield banner done. It's basically, I'm doing a new font to this car, like I did my 350Z, and I call this particular font of my windshield banner the Legacy style. So it's time to do the Legacy style to this Integra, and then both of them will be matching. I want to have matching fonts on my banners for all my cars, and I actually like this banner so much more than any other banner I ever did. But if you want any one of my banners, you can go to my website down below this video. Will be the only link. Click that website link. Guys, go order you guys some stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna see how this day goes, man. I'm excited to see the turnout, to see the people that actually pull up. I got homies and friends